Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to check all group chats in Messenger. First things first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you are on the home page, you have two options to find your group chats. You can either look for the target group using the search bar at the top by entering the group's name. This is a quick way to find a specific group chat. Alternatively, you can scroll down through your chat list and look for the target group manually. Just keep in mind that this is the only way to check groups in Messenger, as there is no option to view all of them in one place. So that's basically how you can check all group chats in Messenger. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.